Getting views is one of the steps that anyone looking to grow their YouTube channel always sought out for, because with the views you can get a lot of things like getting your 4,000 watch hours, which will help you monetize, and also putting your channel out there to prospective subscribers that can also help you monetize your YouTube channel. And that is why in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you one powerful step to help you get a lot of views for your YouTube channel, which in turn is going to help you to get 4,000 watch hours and also subscribers for your YouTube channel, so that you can be able to monetize your YouTube channel if that is what you are looking at, or generally just maybe you want the views. Okay, this is also going to help you to get the views. Now, one of the things that you should do, or one of the things I'm going to share with you today that is going to help you get the views, is by creating a playlist. Now, a playlist is just like an album, or is just like a file where you put basic videos or almost all your videos depending on their category, right? Different categories of your videos, in order for your subscribers or for your viewers to help them watch more of your videos. Okay, you guys, and you want to make sure that people are watching more of your videos because of what the YouTube space is about. When it comes to the YouTube space, YouTube wants people to stay on its platform for a long time, and if your channel is keeping people on the platform for a long time, or your videos are keeping people on the channel for a long time, they are going to continually recommend your channel or your video to more potential viewers, which in turn is also going to benefit you in order for you to get your 4,000 watch hours and also to get subscribers that can also help you monetize. And that is why it is very important for you to create a YouTube playlist where you can categorize your videos and add them to this particular playlist, so that when a viewer comes to your channel and see a video of yours, they will not just stop at seeing just one video. They will go ahead to see at least 2 or 3 other of your videos, because your videos are going to be playing automatically one after the other without skipping. Okay, you guys, and this is like one of the benefits of actually creating a playlist, to enable your viewers stay on your channel more and to enable them watch more of your videos, which also in turn is going to help you to get views and also subscribers for your YouTube channel. So without wasting much of your time, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question about growing on YouTube, please go ahead and do that, and let's jump straight into the video. So this is my YouTube homepage. Basically, this is how everybody's homepage is. What you want to do is to make sure that you are in your YouTube homepage, and from there, that is where you are going to create your playlist from, which we are going to be seeing right now. So like I said, we are in our home page. What you want to click on now is your YouTube picture on the left hand corner of your page, just after the subscriptions. The next one that says you, just click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to also open up a page, and if you scroll down, you see a plus sign and something called playlist on the right hand side. Now go ahead and click the plus sign, and it's going to say create new playlist. Go ahead and give this playlist a title depending on the category of playlist, because of course you can create as much as how many playlists that you would want. Go ahead and also make it public, and then hit on create. Make sure that it is public, you guys. Once you are done, it is going to show like this. Okay, the next thing you want to do is to add your videos that you've already created. So go to your YouTube Studio app, click on content, and also the 3 buttons that is close to the video that you would love to add to your playlist. Just go ahead and click it. It's going to open up, and you can see a point that says playlist or add to playlist, can go ahead and add it to playlist. And when you are done, this is what your playlist is going to look like. You can do this for all of your videos in your playlist. This is what it should look like. It will tell you the number of videos that you also have in your playlist. Do not forget the benefit of having a playlist, you guys. It's going to help your viewers to stay longer on your YouTube channel, which is something that the YouTube algorithm loves. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on the